Today, let me show you how to make the perfect curry. With beef so tender it will melt in your mouth and a sauce so delicious you'll love it with chicken, fish, or even vegetables. But whichever you choose, this recipe is sure to curry favor with your friends and family. So without a big to-do about the stew, let's go ahead and get started here with our beef. Today I'm using about 2 pounds of chuck, and I just like to pop that into about 1-inch squares. Any size will work, just keep in mind the bigger it is, the longer it'll take to cook. We want to sear these, so have this going over high heat, and it's a good idea to let it sit in the pan for a minute or two before we start stirring it around. It's really worth taking the time to do this. You see that deep brown color we're looking for there? That's going to add a ton of flavor. And next we just want to add a couple of medium onions. Now we're going to add 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Hand chopped is fine. We'll give all that a quick toss, really just out of the force of habit. And then we're going to add one of these 6-ounce cans of tomato paste. This is going to act as the base of our sauce. And to that, we're going to add about 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt, which is about 1 teaspoon per pound of meat plus 1 more teaspoon for the sauce. And it's finally time to put the curry in our curry. I like to use this Sean's curry powder. I've got about 2 or 3 tablespoons here, which depending on who you ask is either way too much or not nearly enough. But that's why you shouldn't think of this so much as a hard and fast curry recipe as a jumping off point for creating your own curry recipes. And once we have everything mixed together, we just want to cover this and simmer it on low for about 2 hours. And once it's done, we just have to take a quick second to test and make sure we have that perfectly tender, melt-in-your-mouth beef. Just pull one of the bigger pieces out with a fork and give it a little tug. It should be able to pull apart easily, just like that. And because we used a fatty cut like chuck, it's not going to dry out on us either. And last but not least, to get that restaurant-quality curry sauce, we're also going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You can leave that out if you're worried about the extra calories, but it really does take the dish up to the next level. And it's only now after adding our cream that we want to give this a quick taste for seasoning. Mine was perfect, but add more salt if you need to, and then just let this gently come back up to a simmer and we're ready to serve. This is by far one of my favorite curry recipes, but I know there are as many curry recipes as there are stars in the sky, so let me know in the comments below what's your favorite curry recipe. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you won't miss our future videos. And don't forget to check out one of our other awesome recipes up on the screen now. This has been Graham with a passion for food.